Yo, what is up, everybody? Bradley Walker here.
And Jared, aka 7.
In today's video, we're going to give you guys some trading advice. We do these videos every Thursday for you guys to give you guys some insight, knowledge, and mindset on how to go about trading the foreign exchange markets. As always, like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell to stay up to date on all of our videos. Make sure you check out the links in the description of this video. Get limited time access to get our free Forex trading course, limited time access to join our Discord community. You can sign up for Webull and Robinhood with the links in the description and get a free stock on us. We will also in return get a free stock. Sign up for our recommended brokerages, Hugo's Way and Trader's Way, in the description as well. And also follow us on all major social media platforms. We definitely appreciate you guys for tuning into this video. I'm going to start off with my trading advice and then I will pass it over to 7. So my trading advice for today's video is going to be forecast the weather conditions of the market. What I mean by that is, let's just say you're taking a vacation, for an example. You're going to want to take and look at the weather forecast and the weather conditions for, let's just say you're going for 7 days for that week coming out. Now, obviously, when people are predicting the weather, they're using a lot of things. I'm not going to act like I fully understand it because I'm not a weather forecaster. I'm not a news forecaster. But applying it to Forex, they're going to predict basically what they expect to happen in the upcoming week based on data that they are retrieving. So it's the same thing with the foreign exchange markets. Fundamentals, like we drop every Sunday, are super important. These are going to be your weather forecasts, our news forecasts that we drop every Sunday. You're going to want to look at these news events that are coming out for the week ahead. That way you can forecast what you expect to happen moving forward in that week. So you need to pay super close attention to the fundamentals applied with price action, technical analysis using Fibonacci's, moving averages, things along those lines, that you're going to combine all of that. But if you don't know what is going to happen with the fundamentals, you can't prepare for the storm that might be coming, like non-farm payroll, for example, that strongly affects the US dollar. If you aren't forecasting the news on what you think is going to happen, then you're probably going to get smacked on a trade while trading the US dollar when major news events dropping. Same thing if you're taking a vacation. If you don't, let's just say you're leaving on Monday, Wednesday they're expecting rain, but you're just like, oh, well, Wednesday we're going to go out to the beach and have a good time. You didn't look at the actual forecast for the weather that was coming. So you go try to go out to the beach one day and it's pouring down rain and there might be a thunderstorm or a hurricane or something. So you want to pay attention to the events prior to getting into the markets. Make sure you actually have a proper forecast. Like I said, we drop that every Sunday for you guys to give you an update on the news events that are coming out for the upcoming week, to make sure that you have a clear picture of what to expect when going into trading the foreign exchange markets for that week. But I'm going to pass it over to 7 here, and he's going to give you guys some of his trading advice in today's video.
All right, guys, my trading advice, and just I think it can be looked at in other ways too, other than trading as well, other than Forex, to crypto, other things, stocks, any type of investment. But I think it's a dope quote. It's plan your work and work your plan, or you can say it the other way around: plan your work, work your plan, work your plan, like basically plan out your work and then work your plan. A metaphor or just a phrase that I've heard, and I think it definitely is important. Just pick a system and stick to it. We might have said something similar on the last trading advice video, but we just want to reiterate: sticking to your plan, sticking to your risk management, your trading strategies. So yeah, just plan out your work, work your plan. So yeah, pretty much that simple.
Definitely. Very simplistic, but sometimes the best advice you can get is very simple. And a lot of people don't want to hear it because they're like, oh, well, if it was that easy, everyone would do it. Not true at all. Knowing the advice and giving advice is simple. I know plenty of people who give great advice, but they don't follow that advice themselves. So hearing and giving the advice is simple, but actually applying it and sticking to it is what is super important. If you don't come up with that plan, you don't clearly have a path on which you are going. Just like if you're using Google Maps, or back in the day, if you remember using MapQuest, it showed you, all right, here, you're going to go 3.6 miles and then make a left. Then you're going to go 10 miles here and then make a right. So you have to have a clear plan to give you an idea of where you are going, and then you can actually look back and measure the results. So it's definitely very simple, but it's actually super important to apply and more difficult to actually stick to it on a daily basis. But hopefully you guys got some value from this video, dropping these videos for you guys every Thursday. These things can be applied not just the Forex, but any other area of your life as well. So as always, like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell to stay up to date on all of our videos, dropping content 7 days a week on all platforms. So click the links in the description to follow us on Instagram, Facebook, join our Reddit. We have a lot of stuff in there. Also sign up for our Discord community, 7-day free access, limited time, and we're giving you free access to our free Forex trading course. Definitely appreciate you guys for hopping on this video with us. Make sure to subscribe, and as always, thanks for watching.
Peace.